Dear students, today we are here on the chapter Understanding Elementary Shape. And if you are remembering, in our last class, we have started doing Comet questions. Okay? Comet classwork was completed by us. So today we are on Comet homework part. Fine? In Comet homework part, this question is related to a protector. As you all know, this is just looking like a protector, and in protector there are so many angles. The same way in this figure you have so many angles. Now, in the Comet, it is asked that you have the names of angle. You have to measure angle one by one and tell which angle type it is and what is the measurement of that particular angle. For example, angle AOE. Now look at here, where is AOE? I have not written the name. I am telling you once the name. This is O. Now this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and this is M. Fine. Let's understand one by one what is the measurement of it. So the first one is telling AOE. So look at here. This is A, this is O, and this is E. 0 to 60. We have a difference of 60. This is the measurement line of 60. So this is total 60 degree, means it is a type of angle acute. Acute, and here we have 60 degree. आप चाहो तो पहले 60 degree लिख सकते हो, उसके बाद what type of angle it is less than 90. So the name will be acute angle. Now move on to the second one. COD. Where is C? This is C. COD. Now अब आप देख रहे होगे कि मैम ये तो 45 है, बट गौर से देखो, दिस इज COD. 30 की लाइन है और 45 की लाइन है, बीच में कितना डिफरेंस हुआ? 15 का. So the answer would be here 15 degree, and 15 means होता है again acute. Move on to the third one now. BOK. BOK. So let's understand BOK one. So we have, this is B, this is O, and this is K. This is 15 and this is 150. Tell me, 135. 150 minus 15. What you will get it? 135. 135 means क्या होता है बेटा? Obtuse. So you can simply write it down, 150 minus 15, which will give you 135. इसको आप लिख सकते हो 45 minus 30, which you are getting as 15 degree. Now let's move further. COI. This is CO and I. Where is I? I में लिखा है 120, C पे लिखा है 30. Yes, it's 120 minus 30, which you will get it as 90, and 90 means होता है बेटा right angle. So the name will be right, and right is of always 90 degree, which we have written it now. After that we have AOM. अपनी बुक में चेक करिए, AOM. M कहाँ गया? This is M. AOM मतलब 180 degree straight angle. Straight means 180 degree. We have written it. Now last two, COL. COL. So let's see, C is 30 degree, OL. L means 165. So 165 minus 30. 165 minus 30, which you will get it 135 degree. So the answer would be again obtuse. Completed. Now last but not the least, HOL. H means you have 105 and L means you have 165. So 165 minus 105, which you will get it as 60 only. Yes. Completed. Remember, all these answers are related from this figure only. So without making figure, you cannot draw this question. Please remember. ठीक है? Just a second. Now next question, question number 2. It is telling that specify whether the angles are acute, obtuse, right or straight angles. So let me draw the figure of it, which is given in the book to us. This is D, this is A, this is B, and this is C. In between you have a diagonal, and both the diagonals are cutting at point E. Now the question is telling what is the type of angle A, D, E. It's talking about ADE. Now look at here, this is A, this is D, and this is E. Look at here, this is angle ADE. You can see the figure is looking like acute. Okay, it's moving little shrinker, no, 90 se kam dikh raha hai. So it's just a acute angle. Move on to the next one, BAD. BAD. Look at here, this is B, this is A, and this is D. Now look at here, this is a rectangle one, and you can see this is one of the angle of rectangle, and you are knowing it is always right. So the answer would be right now. After BAD, we have BED. BED. This is B, this is E, this is D. Looking like a straight line. Yes, it's a straight angle. Move on to the next one. BEC. BEC. Acute. And move on to the next one is AEB. AEB, obtuse angle. This is there. So this is obtuse. So this was all about question number 2. We have done it. So page number 49 we have completed. Now we have another portion. Let's talk about those questions as well. Classwork portion, question number 1. Classify the following triangles according to the magnitude of their angle. What about magnitude? Magnitude का मतलब होता है बेटा the measurement of angle. Fine. Question number 1 is telling here you have angle 40 degree, 60 degree and 80 degree. Look at here, this is all about a triangle beta, and you can see all the 3 angles are acute. Can you tell me which triangle it is? It's acute angle, all the angles are acute. Which? Absolutely. The name would be acute angled triangle. Beta, here sides are not given, angles are given. And when angles are given, you can call it acute angled triangle. Move on to the next one. 10 degree, 20 degree and 150 degree. Now look at here, 10 less than 90, 20 less than 90, but 150 more than 90. One obtuse. Name would be obtuse angled triangle. Move on to the C1. C1 is 15 degree, 75 degree and 90 degree. 15 less than 90, 75 less than 90, but 90. We have one right angle. Right angled triangle. Question number, this is also completed. Question number 2, beta. Question number 2 is telling here, you have to classify the following triangles according to the length of their side. Now this time we have sides. First one is 30, 20, 15. All 3 sides are of different lengths. Scalene triangle. Just a second, Rishabh. I will give you time. Just a minute. Scalene triangle. Second one is 15, 12, again 15. All 3 are not same. Only 2 are same. We call it isosceles. Now last condition, 16 meter, 16 meter, 16 meter. All three are same. Equilateral triangle. Okay, so this is all about question number 2. Now next question. Question number next is, you have to identify that which triangle is this, and you have to write it down the name in 2 different ways. So this is all about question number 3. The first figure is like this. This is 5. This is 5. And this is 8. And this is small one. This is obtuse angled triangle. And these two are equal. Now understand this figure. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Two sides are equal. One angle is different. First name is isosceles. Okay? And second name, if you observe, angle. Two angles are acute, but one of the angle is obtuse. Look at here. This is open one. It's not closed one. It's an open angle. So this is obtuse. So we have written this name into 2 different ways. Isosceles triangle and obtuse angled triangle. For one triangle, we have written the name in 2 different ways. One according to the side, another according to the angle. Who are having any confusion in the names of triangle, please watch recording related to triangle pattern. We have done this exercise. Okay? Question number 2. The triangle is drawn in this way. This is right angle. So the पहला नाम तो बेटा यही हो गया, right angled. And second name, if you observe, this is 10 and this is 10. 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter means what? Isosceles. Two sides are given. So this is isosceles as well. Okay? Both the names are done. Now move on to the third one. See. It's looking like obtuse only. See the open triangle? एकदम open दिख रहा है आपको? The bigger one, this is obtuse angle triangle. ये हो गया आपका सबसे पहला नेम obtuse. Obtuse angled. And see the next one. This is 9. This is 10. And this is 15. Can you tell me which type of pattern is this? Scalene. All the 3 are different. So this is all about page number 51. We have completed it right now. Now next students, page number 52. Which questions are related to the next pattern now? What is the name of angle for 1/2 revolution? As you know that one full revolution means 360 degree, half means 180. So the first answer will be 180 degree, that you can call it straight angle. 180 degree means straight angle. So the answer for the first question would be straight angle. They have given here. Check first. Now question number 2. Okay, so question number 1 was straight angle 180 degree. Second question is, what is the magnitude? Beta, magnitude का मतलब होता है measurement. Angle formed between the 2 arms of a clock at the following time, considering 12 noon time as 0 degree. आपको ये समझना है कि जब 12 बजता है इसका मतलब 0 डिग्री है. ठीक है? तो आपको बताना है 2 PM पे कौन सा एंगल बनता है. 2 PM पे कौन सा बनता है? It will be acute angle. Remember 30 डिग्री का डिफरेंस होता है बेटा. ठीक है? 30 डिग्री का क्यों डिफरेंस होता है? Because you have total 12 numbers. So 12 3 जा 360, ठीक है, 12 3 जा 36 होता है, तो 12 आपके पास सुइयां होती है, 30 डिग्री का एंगल बिटवीन बनता है वन बीच में, ठीक है। आई एम शोइंग यू दिस ऑन द बोर्ड, ऑब्जर्व इट नाउ, प्लीज जस्ट अ सेकेंड, look at here, you have total 12 numbers, 12 6 9 3, so एक यहाँ पर जितना एंगल होता है बेटा उसको 30 डिग्री बोलते हैं। so जितने नंबर्स आपको कवर करने 30 30 30 का मल्टीप्लाई करते जाओ, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज टेलिंग 2 PM, सो 12 से 1, 1 से 2, 30 तो 30 कितना हो गया 60 डिग्री, तो 2 PM मीन्स 60 डिग्री। No, you don't need to draw. Just simply write it down the answer. ठीक है? Answer would be 2 PM means 60 degree. 60 degree means acute. Fine? Because you are covering 12 to 1, 1 to 2, and each gap having 30 degree angle. ठीक है? 12 numbers होते, 12 numbers में आपके पास 30 डिग्री का गैपिंग होता, तो 12 3 जा कितना हो गया 36। तो रिमेंबर पूरी जो आपकी क्लॉक होती है वो पूरा एक कंप्लीट एंगल सॉल्व करती है, दैट इज 360 डिग्री। सो 2 PM मतलब 60 डिग्री, एक्यूट एंगल 6 PM 6 into 3 18 मतलब 180 डिग्री, 180 मतलब स्ट्रेट। मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन, 12 midnight 360 डिग्री, 360 degree means complete angle. So this is all about for today. In our next class, I will be recording this video completely.